Hi, myself Suganya, Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration in Dr. S.N.S. Rajarashmi College of Arts and Science. So in this video, we are going to see about what are the types under the function and what are the types under the with the function which is nothing but arguments and return data types. We all know that what is the use of function. The function is nothing but some of the statements to be executed again and again. For that purpose only we are going to create a statement called we are going to create a major functionalities called function. So this is the usage of a function. So in this cases, so it have many it have 4 data types, that is nothing but function with arguments and it may contain some return values. So second one, function with arguments but in cases it cannot return any value. So this is the 2 cases. The third case, the function with no arguments and it returns some values. The fourth case will be the function with no arguments and it does not return any values. This is the 4 different types of a function available in a C programming. Let us discuss one by one. The first one, the function with arguments and it also return some values. So what this function will do is it contain more than one arguments inside of the function and it also returns some statements, some value to a called function. So for example, if you want to perform addition operator for this one, I am creating one function, I am just passing the 2 values. So I am going to perform addition of 2 numbers. So for that one I am going to pass a value of 2 value. I am going to pass 2 values. So the function name will be the addition. So I am just calling that function, that is function of addition bracket. What I told is I am going to pass 2 values. So for that purpose the value will be of integer. So int a comma int b. So inside of that function what I am going to do is I am going to perform addition operator of addition of a and b value and I am going to store it in a value of c. So int c is equal to a plus b. So this line state that is a and b value are added and it is stored in a variable called c. So what I have to do is I have to return the value to be a main function. For that one I am going to give a statement called return c. So what the line says is it going to return c value to the main function. So this is the first one. Second one, so function with arguments and it cannot return any value to a main function. So what this case will do is it does not return any value to the main function. So we just omit the return of c. So this is the major difference between function with arguments and return value and function with argument with no return value. So the third one is says that function with no arguments and it also return no return values. What it will do is it does not contain any arguments inside of the function. For example, I am just giving the function addition of addition. Just I am inside of that function I didn't pass any value. In previous cases what I do is I am just passing some value, that is int a and int b. In this cases this does not follow or pass any value to this function. So inside of the function what I do is I am just calculating some value. It may be of anything. A is equal to a into b, b into c, c into d. Some line of statement I am giving and in this cases what it says is it does not return any value. So I am just omitting the return value of the particular stored one. The function is ended and it automatically calling to that given function. So the fourth one, what that function says is function with no arguments and it just return the value to the main function. So in this cases the same functionalities, same features may done, that is the function addition bracket. So inside of the function what I am going to perform some arithmetic addition, any kind of operations may be done. For example, a equal to a plus b into c divided by d and some of the operators statement may be done, and just what it says is it going to return some value to a main function. What the return statement will be? Return the stored variable name, maybe the return C. So in this what in these function may do is, in maximum we follow both follow any one of the type of the function. So in this cases, whenever the function is needed with arguments, we can use that function, and in some cases it going to return some value to may to the given function, that time we can use a return statement. So in this video we discussed about the what are the types of function available in a C programming languages. Thank you.